Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive, and today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Mazda CX-5. Stock number is A8415. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Taking a look at the tread on the tires as well. Now inside, you have cloth interior. The seats are very clean all the way throughout, so you don't have to worry about any rips or tears or anything like that. Back seats are very clean as well. Up top, you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. On the back, you have a rear backup camera, and this CX-5 is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls are mounted to the steering wheel. You have a full touchscreen here, includes your stereo, dual climate control, and heated seats. And you have your automatic transmission here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure, whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda CX-5 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.